are Margarita cupcakes, so no kids allowed. Sorry. These are perfect for parties. They are the bomb. And despite of the alcohol they have, you won't get hangover. So the ingredients are 115 grams of butter, 190 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, the zest and juice of 1.5 limes, 2 teaspoons of tequila, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 125 grams of buttermilk. To decorate, 230 grams of butter, 320 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of tequila, and then a pinch of salt. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then we whisk the butter and the sugar until it is fluffy and creamy. We add the eggs one by one. We mix, and when everything is together, we pour in the lemon zest and the juice, the vanilla, and the tequila. Mix. And then we will add the dry ingredients in 3 parts, with the buttermilk in 2 parts. Then we will use the spatula to give it the last mix. We put the dough in the tin. We wait for the cupcakes to cool, around 5 to 10 minutes. We brush them with the tequila on the top of them. We whisk the butter around 5 minutes, and we go adding the powdered sugar, and finally we put the lime juice, the tequila, and the salts. That's everything, guys. See you in the next video.